second girl and the third girl. So you get the right bags, guys, okay? Okay, so group one, Lily Bennett, Cara Burke, and Aoife Dunn. You can check it from the top. Yeah, you can just take them away, so we have them, we can give them to them. There you go. Thank you very much. Okay, now, group two, Ella Fenlon, Amy Doyle, and Catherine Graham.
I think it's just, yeah. You'll see.
Okay, group three is Tana Hodges, Kate Kirkwood, and Eva Mulholland. Are you going Group four, Hannah Nolan, Maisie Yates, Ciara O'Connor.
Maybe you might just Hannah, so you can
Group five, Saoirse O'Donnell, Emma Power, and Sarah Scholar. Group six, Jen Sheeran, Clara Sheridan, and Sunny Shaftry. Group seven, Leisha Sullivan, Emer Small, and Ciara Whelan. Okay, group eight, I think we're going to need a few parents for this one. Anna Beery, Rachel Brogan, Mia Kelly, and Jill Slowey.
Yeah, go on, Mike. Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike.
And that's everybody. Thank you very much.